Finally, it's here. There you go. Okay, so this is the purge valve for a 2018 Ford Explorer. It's a harness. Let's install it. There's the car. Let's go. Oh, it's cold. Let me show you. Check engine light. Okay. Let's see. That's the evap leak code. Okay. Take this off. Then let's remove the harness. I need to cutter. I think this is good. Oh, I don't need to take it. That's so remove this. Okay, that's the part. What's this? Figured it out. I thought I got a wrong part. So this goes here. It's the same piece. And this goes here. So where is it? Where's the okay, figured it out. Press the bottom and pull up. There you go. And how about this? Yeah, this is loose. There you go. Press here and here. Put this. Take this off first. There we go. It's free. Similar with the bottom. This is sharp. Oh, press. There you go. It's free. So how do you take this off? It's free. Huh. The bottom. It's free. Just slide it off. Okay. How do you replace this? And same with the bottom. This is the hardest to remove because of the cover. You can't see it. Okay, this is the old one. I matched it so they're identical, and now to install the new part. Okay, install. I don't know, it's like, let's do this. There you go. Snap. Oh, next time remember that locking tab. Okay. Huh. Okay. Did I work it? Did it go another way? No. Okay. I meant to lock this, push it down, lock this. I need a zip tie, and for this is the bottom. Was it? Okay. So this is bottom, and this goes that's weird. Oh. Now let's clear the code. Put it here. Okay. Press auxiliary power. Here we go. OBD. Confirm. Read code. Okay. Ford. Unable to bleed up fuel tank vacuum. Unable to same. Error 1450. Okay. So escape. Erase the code. 1450. Okay, let's read the code. Ford. Permanent. Okay. Let's take it off. Let's see. No edits. Start. No more check engine light. No more check engine light. Haha. And it sounds better. Okay. Saan yung ano ko? Guys, I managed to install it. The hardest part to remove and install is this part right here, which is I think this guy. Okay, why? Because you can't see it. You need you're just gonna do a blind sweep. So in order for me to remove the original, I looked at the new part and check or learn how it locks and unlocks. And then once I removed it, everything else is easy. Oh, last but not the least, this part, I thought they sent me the wrong part because this won't go in all the way. So I checked the old one. It's red, and the locking mechanism is totally different. But the trick is it needs to go all the way before it locks. Okay, I was panicking. I thought I'm gonna remove this and then install the old one and then return this, but it fits. Okay, that's the important part. Okay, make sure everything locks in place so you don't have any leaks. And what else? The bottom part, you just press and pull like the old one. Press and pull. So there you go. And this guy right here, it was loose, so I just taped it with electrical tape. So now it starts, and I think it idles very good as compared to before. So before, you will know the difference. There's something wrong with the car. It's an evap leak, so probably when my wife uses this, the car is consuming more gas than usual because of the leak, and the performance of the engine, of course, is not maximized. But other than that, you can do this. It's a easy DIY fix. Just plug and play. Just know how to remove the plugs or the locking tabs, and how to put them back together. Be patient because these are plastic. Once you break it, I don't know how you're gonna seal it. And anyway, so this is an 8-year-old car. Still runs good as long as you maintain it. Runs good, looks good, and hopefully I get more life out of it. By the way, I did not expect that the purge valve is the culprit, because I did the smoke test. There was no smoke here, because initially 2 years ago when I did the smoke test, it was leaking on this side, so I tightened it. It solved the problem. But 2 years ago I already replaced the purge valve, so I did not expect that it was the purge valve or the purge valve harness. I'll call it the harness. So my mechanic told me, since it's already 2 years and you already paid 40 bucks for that, it is due for a replacement. So I paid $95 for the checkup. He said it's the purge valve, and I think it is, because when I started the car, it's different, it's better. So that's it, guys. Purge valve, replacing the purge valve harness for a 2018 Ford Explorer. Thanks for watching. Bye.